Welcome everyone. Today I want to talk to you about a critical process in IT service management. It is incident management. Imagine you are working on an important project and suddenly your computer crashes or you cannot access a vital application. It is frustrating, right? Well, that's where incident management comes into play. Incident management is a structured approach to addressing and resolving IT service disruption or incidents efficiently. It aims to minimize the impact on business operation, restore service promptly, and ensure a smooth user experience. The goal of incident management is to get you back up and running as quickly as possible. It involves a series of steps to identify, respond to, and resolve incident effectively. When an incident occurs, you can report it to your organization service desk or IT support team. They will log the incident, capturing essential details such as the nature of the problem, its impact on your work, and any initial troubleshooting step taken. Once logged, incidents are categorized and prioritized based on their impact and urgency. This helps IT teams allocate resources effectively and ensure that incidents are addressed in the order of their importance. Next, IT support personnel or technical team swing into action. They investigate the incident, analyze the underlying cause, and perform troubleshooting to diagnose the issue accurately. Collaboration with other teams or subject matter experts may be necessary to gather additional insight and expertise. With the root cause identified, the IT team focus on resolving the incident. They apply appropriate solutions such as software patches, configuration changes, or system restarts to restore the affected service to its normal working state. The aim is to minimize disruption and get you back to work swiftly. Once the incident is resolved, it is officially closed. All relevant details, including the steps taken to resolve the incident, are documented for future reference and analysis. This documentation helps build a knowledge base to improve incident management processes and prevent similar incidents in the future. In summary, incident management is a crucial process in IT service management. It ensures that incidents are addressed promptly, minimizing the impact on your work and productivity. By following a structured incident management approach, organization can enhance customer satisfaction, maintain service level, and keep business operation running smoothly. Thank you for your attention. If you encounter any incident in the future, remember to report them promptly to your service desk or IT support team. They are there to help you. Have a great day. If you have any question or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.